Check out the girth on this smallie. Holy crap. It's a toad. What's up, y'all? I just got done rigging my new canoe, the Frontier 10, and thought I'd let y'all check it out. Well, if you're familiar with these boats, I'm gonna show you my favorite feature right off the bat. That just stays where we put it. What a great hatch, man. I love it. Rain gear, my booties in there. Then there's my brain box with my Humminbird down imager bolted to the top there, along with a Yak Tac switchblade. And that's all one contained unit. It's real nice. Just unplug, lift off, and go. I've got this run to a standard connector because that's dumb for obvious reasons, but it's how the boat came, so we're running with it. Then I've got my Smart Track control system, and that's attached through the seat base through some drip line conduit. Just a regular old little NuCanoe C2, 30-pound thrust. So obviously I removed the head unit, and I took the handle from a tiller handle that I used to bolt this to a Scotty male insert for a quick release, and then I bolted that on top of a 3-way piece of PVC, so I have leverage to pull it back, and it works great. Just cobbled all that together and it's awesome. I had a larger motor on here that I was trying, but when you're trolling for kokanee, you really got to go slow, and that bigger motor didn't have a PW mounter or anything like that, so it was just digitally like fast. But I like this. It's light, it's easy, it works. It's summertime here, getting 100 degrees every day, so don't have a crate going on this boat yet. I got a little igloo with some rod holders bolted to it. Works great. Nice to have cold sodas out there. And if I get into some sunfish like I did the other day, some might be coming home for din-din. This is one of those ram mount rod holders. It's like a pistol, I guess. You're supposed to run a leash through there or something. I really don't get it. I really don't like it. It holds an extra ultralight back there. So I've got a 5 rod capacity on the boat, but it's getting replaced. That's dumb. Stay away from that crap. All right, back to some good stuff. I really like these little Scotty cup holders. I just got the little clips screwed into the hull, and keep obvious stuff you keep in a cup holder. And on this side, fits a downrigger ball perfectly. Use as an anchor. And then my excess line just kind of tucks away in there, clips on there, cleats on there. Yeah, just works good. It's nice and tidy. And up here, I went with a block mount bolted to the hull, as opposed to running my trolling rod holder in the rail system. I had it up there through a Scotty quick release, but whenever I would use the pedals, it would kind of tilt the rail, and every time I'd come off this pedal, I would think I was getting hit because the rod would go down. So I went with this route, and I haven't used it yet. I'm gonna use it for the first time tomorrow. That's gonna be nice. It's just poking right out there, right where I want it, but it's bolted to the hull, so it'll be solid. As far as tackle goes, stuck in this little tray. I think it's like a liner for a dog crate or something. Got it at D&B, 10 bucks. And for a day on the water, some soft plastics, a couple of crankbaits in each depth, and some terminal tackle, maybe some inline spinners. It's that kind of place. But that's really all I need for all kinds of species. Unless I'm trolling, then I switch to this. That's it. That's all I need for a day in a high mountain lake doing some trolling. I might bring some spinners with me with some light tackle just in case, but that's all I need. Alright guys, that's about it. Thanks for watching. We'll go put this thing on the water. Hopefully I'll be following this up with some fish pics. Time to grip and grin.
Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. Please and thank you.
Good job. Make sure you bring it back with a full tank.
Okay.